Hey everyone, welcome to this psychology lecture series. In this video, we are going to talk about multiculturalism or multicultural psychology. Imagine the work of a mental health professional who accepts a new position in a close-knit community with cultural lifestyles very different from mainstream society. The therapist was born and raised far from the community but had been successful elsewhere. Although the therapist uses the same approach and techniques that had previously worked well, most clients fail to return after the first or second session. Here, the therapy sessions don't go well because of the vast cultural differences between the client and the therapist. Multicultural psychology refers to the systematic investigation, analysis, and assessment of human behavior as they are experienced in surroundings where people of different cultural background interact. It studies the impact of culture on individual lives and behavior. It helps us to understand the human behavior from a cultural perspective. These psychologists choose to focus on one of these two approaches. They are the ethic approach that focuses on the study how different cultures are similar, and the emic approach that focuses on studying the differences between cultures. During the 1970s, inclusion of multicultural perspectives began to spread when increased number of women and individuals from diverse backgrounds received graduate degrees in the mental health professions and joined together to form professional associations on multicultural issues. In 1970, the Journal of Cross-Cultural Psychology was launched. In 1972, a group of psychologists from different countries joined in Hong Kong to critically examine and discuss culture's influence on the human experience. This meeting had led to the foundation of the International Association for Cross-Cultural Psychology. In 1974, the first issue of the Journal of Black Psychology appeared. In 1978, the White Cloud Journal of American Indian / Alaska Native Mental Health was founded, and it was later renamed as American Indian and Alaska Native Mental Health Research. By the end of the 1990s, American Psychology Association's Division 45 Journal, Cultural Diversity and Ethnic Minority Psychology had appeared. Some of the famous psychologists in this field of psychology are Dr. Hazel Rose Marcus is the co-director of the Mind, Culture and Society Lab at Stanford. Some of her works are Doing Race, 21 Essays from the 21st Century, Facing Social Class, How Societal Rank Influences Interaction, and Clash, 8 Cultural Conflicts that Make Us Who We Are. The next one is Dr. Richard Allen Schweder, who has spent time and effort in India studying the various cross-cultural concepts such as moral reasoning, behavior, emotions, and self. Dr. Miriam Sperring has prepared a 100-page document and presentation on various topics in cross-cultural psychology. Deborah Best is the editor at the Journal of Cross-Cultural Psychology. Some of the books that she had published are Sex and Psyche, Gender and Self-Viewed Cross-Culturally, and Cross-Cultural Psychology. Dr. John W. Berry talked about theory in the field of cross-cultural psychology is the four-fold model of various acculturation strategies, which includes assimilation, separation, integration, and marginalization. His main publications include Psychology of acculturation. In the next few videos, we are going to take a look at some of the important psychologists and their contribution. I hope you like this video. Please share these videos with everyone who is preparing for this exam. Thank you.